Hey, it's Cam, and here's a quick tip on organizing your wrenches. I just use hydraulic hose wrap or hose guard or whatever you want to call it. It's just a giant spring kind of thing. So I just get that from any hose shop. They can get you that. They have a bunch of different sizes. So I got some smaller stuff here, some stuff here, and here's the big stuff for my big wrenches. So same thing, just bigger coil. I got some extra. So you can ask me for some, I'll give you some. Yeah, so I got a couple different sizes. I just use those to slot my wrench in to keep it organized and tucked away, and they bounce around on the truck and they move a little bit, but it's a lot better than those stupid wrench racks. Those take up way too much room too. I like these. I like how compact this sits, right? Like, so like with these guys, everything, you know, sits pretty tight in there. So you got a lot more room. Still trying to find a decent way to organize my crow feet. Every time I kind of semi-organize them and then they just bounce around and go all random. So, yeah, that's about it. Quick tip, and just the tip, just for you. Why? Oh, is it crooked? He was a skater boy.